us because she can say anything happened. You know, she can say I fought her. She can say money. You can say we jumped her. You can say we pushed her. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not giving the devil no type of inch because it's gonna take that motherfucking mouth. So what we doing right now?
Get this straight. She just called the cops to your house.
I don't know what she did on the other hand, but no, Armani's said because we want to let her get her shit, right? But at the same time, we're not going to allow her to get her shit when it's just us in the house because she can say anything. If she just not took a piss on my porch, what else would she do out of irrational? Because she's not in the right mindset right now. So since we can't trust the way she's gonna move, we're gonna allow people of the law enforcement to see her moving her shit out. So we're not about to do that shit. We ain't about to play no games.
Hey, listen, TKO. This when you call your niggas, man.
Yeah. Nah, I don't even call nobody.
This when you need a dyke friend. This is when your dyke friend come through. This is a perfect situation for you to have a dyke friend.
Nah, you won't fight him. People already hit me up just trying to come and handle that. I'm like, nah. So many people want to come and handle that, but no, we don't get into shit like that. We don't need to fight negative with negativity. We need peaceful. Come and get your shit, get your cat.
Oh my God, this nigga's the Dalai Lama now. Okay, so you gonna
be peaceful.
Non-violent. We gonna call you Martin Luther TKO after this. MLK TKO is your new name, nigga.
But guess what?
Non-violent.
I'd rather be called that than be called Free TKO. Free TKO, yo. I remember TKO was popping. Free him and Armani on the phone, sending, talking, crying because she lost her man again. So I'd rather be that. I'd rather be Martin Luther King.
Nah, nigga, it's ways not to get locked up, fam. It's ways not to get locked up.
But what I'm saying is she can say anything. This girl can go hit a mother.
Man, it don't matter what she say. Fuck that hoe. You got a lawyer, nigga. You got money.
It do matter in the court of law, especially with a record. I got a record. I'm a felon. So last thing I do is protect my spanker.
You ain't got no felon.
Especially, no, I never got a felon for pimping. I don't got no felonies for pimping at all. Not even one. But what I'm saying is this. Yeah. So what I'm saying is this: she can fall down the steps and say something. We're not doing none of that. I'm not about to do none of that because there's no way to know that if somebody pushed her or not down the steps.
Okay,
so
y'all.
I'm gonna leave it just like this.
Now y'all know, ladies. Now y'all know. Y'all can come to TKO and motherfucking act up.
They sin.
Boom. And he gonna let. Nigga got off that line with me quick as hell. He ended the line. You can act a motherfucking fool now, dog. He got banned. For what? Oh, hell no. He got banned. Damn, bruh. TKO liking this shit, bruh. He liking this shit, bruh. He love attention, bruh. He likes it. All the fucking women about to come over there and do what the fuck they want. He know what he doing. But guess what? He gonna have to live with it. Nigga, when you phony and you fake, it come back on you. When you honest and straight up, people know what it is. But when you phony and you fake, motherfuckers gonna come through. Now the women know what they can do with TKO. They can do whatever they want. They can come over there and build their legacy. A bitch can come up off of TKO, do whatever they want. They name. She got that weight. She about to have 5 wives. He said that nigga about to. That bitch is gonna be smacking that nigga around. Nigga, shut the fuck up. The fuck up, nigga. Remember you do that shake in her face?
They gonna be live all in different rooms?
Yeah, live. Everybody gonna be live in their own room building their shit. Yeah, nigga, this is motherfucking Chanel 2.0. Follow me on goddamn Twitter and IG. Right in this nigga face. I wish a bitch would be in my motherfucking house promoting her motherfucking self. Bitch, you got your motherfucking bra on wrong. You got your panties strapped on wrong, bitch. She in the next room promoting herself. Yeah, this is Chanel 2.0, bitch. All you gonna hear is Bob's going out. Ooh, that motherfucking phone, bitch. Fuck I look like. What the fuck is going on? TKO is beating her. He's a woman beater. Nigga, I'll beat your ass, bitch. He gonna snap. TKO gonna snap. That's the funniest shit ever is the day when this nigga snapped. Cause he done got all this shit built up. And one day y'all got this nigga fucked up. He gonna fuck around and murder. This is why niggas murder women. He don't know how to get the anger out slowly. You got the particular. There's a difference between chastising a child and letting that shit build up and killing a child. This nigga gonna fuck around and just kill somebody one day. Sitting there going, yep, no guys, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, man, it's not gonna do anything. Just let the police come in my house and just walk in with your nasty ass shoes on my carpet. Escort her upstairs, just walk through my property, it doesn't matter. Yo, he gonna snap and kill everybody. It's like, remember he threw the drink in her face before he knew it. He the type of person that'll snap. Keep fucking with TKO, nigga. TKO is the leprechaun. Coming for you. While your ass sleep, nigga. This nigga got something on you. See, I let it go with Chanel. I was being nice. I let it shit. See, I let you get away with the shit that happened with Chanel. Now, I'ma make your ass go to hell, bitch. This nigga's the leprechaun. Give me shilling, or there'll be some killing. Hey, yo, give me shilling, or there'll be some killing. Give me shilling. Chanel, come here. Chanel, give me shilling, or there'll be some killing. Did you just pee on my porch? Come here. Oh my God, yo. Y'all niggas don't understand. This nigga gonna murder one. You see, I slap a bitch. Hey, good looking out, Joe. Good looking out, Rose Vibes. It's gonna be right on live, too. He just gonna snap. He gonna fuck around. He like, and that's why Armani, she be so goddamn cool. She be like, she know this nigga for real. She like, keep on sleeping on Leppy. This nigga's gonna kill ya. She just be calm and shit like. And he like, okay, y'all, just be calm, I'm telling you. Just be calm, Oh, shit, okay. Chanel came on there like, fuck you, nigga, fuck your couch, nigga, fuck your couch. He said, everybody be cool, don't nobody do nothing. Don't nobody do nothing. We're not gonna fight darkness with darkness. And then, we not gonna fight darkness with darkness. Everybody take a breath. He acting real Dr. Bishop, like, yeah, everybody be cool. And look, Chanel came in and violated this nigga. Like, he's still like, see, guys, I have self-control. I'm humble. All these hoes is like, yeah, we about to come over there, nigga. Yeah, we about to come over there. We know what we can get away with. See, a bitch scared to come over here. They're like, oh, no, he ain't beating hoes. He beating bitches. Bitches in corners. They getting up in the hospital. He putting bitches in the closet. No, we ain't going over there. But TK, we on the way. We on the way. We on the way, baby. We on the way. Chanel done opened up a whole new door. And they on the fucking way. They coming, dog. Y'all can have the headache. Bitch gonna have to behave over here. Ain't no way you let a bitch bitch get that out of hand. Oh, it would have never been done because Chanel would have never lasted 2 days in my shit. She would have been gone to me. Matter of fact, as soon as I met Chanel, you know, I do things to dominate women immediately. Like in a conversation, if I'm talking, I'm not gonna let you talk over me. That's the first step. When you with a woman and she talking, you know how women may be like, oh, you need to listen to a woman and let her talk. No, motherfucker, fuck you, bitch. You listen to me, I'm talking. And that's the immediate initiation right there. Talking is before sex, before everything is talking. I don't give a fuck how fine you are. If me and you can't talk and you can listen, bitch, I can't dominate you. If you can't dominate a woman in a conversation, you is not gonna be able to dominate her in nothing else you do. You could tell that he be dominating the shit out of motherfucking Armani in conversation. Armani don't look like she wanna talk back enough. She probably like damn, Armani, you just shut down. Fuck. Armani, why are you just shutting down on me? Talk to me. I wanna... Hold up, somebody send me a video.
Take the pill. What type of female she is? But I don't want to have... Look at this nasty bitch! Please send me a boy that makes you have a woman! I'm taking a pill. Please send me a boy! Keep that bitch in her head, because I'm screen record. Keep that bitch in her head. You nasty, bro. That's what we just not got rid of. See, that's what happened. That's what happened.
That nigga said, nah, not violent. See this? Yo, she was like a dog. Like a fucking dog. She's squatting down like a dog. Peeing on this nigga yard like a bitch. Literally, bruh. Look at this nasty bitch. She like, yeah, show my ass. You see her real colors. Yeah, this shit is... My nigga, I did not see that. She got her ass out and everything. Bitch, I would have had my foot so far in that bitch ass. I would have sick Armani on her. Armani's supposed to fuck her up. Cause see, she's a woman. Fuck that. You on my property, peeing on my motherfucking property. Man, Armani supposed to be lit. You post this when you turn off a Bigo and go to IG. And bro, world star, fuck out of here, nigga. Armani supposed to let them hands loose on that bitch. Bop, bop, bop. As soon as she peeing, put a foot in her ass, put a fucking thong around her fucking neck, choke that bitch, throw her on the motherfucking ground, and put fucking grass stains over her forehead, everything. Get fucking snatch her fucking hair out. Bitch, you supposed to be taping that shit, laughing like, that's what you get, bitch. Ah. Let another bitch know that's what's gonna happen if you come over here on that dumb shit. Armani was just like, not doing nothing, bro. Nah, bro. One of my bitches turned on me, all my other women gonna turn on her immediately. I'm about to call this nigga, man. Call this nigga, see what he doing, man. Let him know we on live, B. Nah, Dr. Bishop, we could call him, but I don't think y'all want to hear from him. He over there with his wife. TK on the phone with the cops. This nigga closed the door. Talking about some non-violent. This is not the type nigga. As soon as she said she didn't cook, she didn't clean, she don't like to sew and be a fucking woman, bitch. And what the fuck do I need you? Oh, I sing, bitch. Sing on my nuts. What are you talking about? I'll fuck you, but you can't cook. You can't clean. Bitch, no. As soon as she said I don't need to cook. I don't like to clean. I mean, I'll do it, but I don't. Bitch, you 30 fucking plus years old with no fucking kids talking about she don't want to have kids. She said she ain't want to have fucking kids. Bitch, now you know. You're talking about she don't want to have kids. Pissing on the yard, nigga. Pissing on your porch. Fuck your couch, nigga. She's a squatter. She's a runner. She's a squatter. She's a peer. She's a squatter. All he got is 5 boxes out this shit. Fuck that. I don't give a fuck. She's a peer. She's a squatter. She gonna pee on your forehead. She gonna be on your Martin Luther TKO. Non-violent, non-violent. I think I'm having a dream right now. She's peeing on my porch right now. Non-violent, non-violent. Yo, TKO, we watching you, nigga. We watching you, nigga. We watching you, dog. This shit unbelievable.
Stop acting to boy. And he over there clowning you on his live.
No, I'm not, nigga. Yeah, I'm clowning you, nigga. You let her pee on your porch. I come over there and tell you how I feel about it.
Stop acting. Oh, okay. That was one. But I know you seen the other text before that one too. So you know what it is. You know what it is. Stop acting him.
Yeah, I don't want it to be nothing. I don't want it to be like, damn, you know what I'm saying?
I know,
yeah.
but it could be whatever.
I say it to his face, ho. He know what the fuck I'm on, nigga.
You know, it still falls back on me.
Yeah, I know, and that's why.
And nigga got the white on for purity.
Stop acting to boy because he go by.
I was wondering. I just been sitting right
Yeah, and he clowning you.
Okay.
So yeah, just leave that clip. Leave him where he at right now. You got me to push the car right now.
Okay, hold on. They're saying the police is here.
Okay.
All right, come here, Armani.
Oh shit, the police is there.
Armani.
He's scared now. Armani, get the bail money.
Hey, how you doing? All right, thank you, that's fine. All right. Give me 1 second.
She's a peer, she's a squatter. She gonna be on your porch when you're not there. When you're not there. She gonna be on your porch right when you there. She's a peer, she's a squatter. Nigga, we laughing with you, dog. Nigga, we laughing at this shit. This shit funny because you knew what time it was, nigga.
I need your mind like that. I need you to talk to them. I don't talk to them and shit like that.
Yeah, Armani, step the fuck up, dog. Handle your business. She running upstairs. Oh, Armani. Oh my goodness. Armani, step up. Armani, you losing respect. He's scared as shit. He is scared. He called the police and you scared, nigga. They will lock you up, nigga. It's a female, dog. You better get out. You supposed to leave, nigga. Leave. Let Armani handle that shit and go. You a black man, dog. You supposed to go, dog. Boy, this man's scared. Look at that boy. That boy. Hey, how you doing?
All right, now, come on, King, let's go. Get in here. Yeah, he cold.
They called the police.
I'm doing pretty good.
This shit is real.
she's been living here, for about a month or whatnot. When she got raped, she took a pill in front of the porch. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, so at the end of the day, somebody's got
This nigga snitching! This nigga snitching! Yo, you a snitch. I can't fuck with him no more, dog. He a L7. This nigga talking to the police, bro. He talking to the police. This nigga's... This nigga's a rat! Yo! Yo! We cannot fuck with you no more, my man. You talking to police, dog? No more, dogs. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. This nigga snitching on her to the police.
Right. Each other. That way, can avoid all that extra shit. Right? Right. As far as
this lame ass cop ass nigga. Look at this fucking lame ass cop, dog. He talking to police, dog.
Anything here that you don't want to.
The cops not supposed to come in your house.
Okay. Okay. I don't want anything that she got. Do you want her to go in and just grab? Yeah, I want her to. I want to grab her stuff, and the thing is, we're not calling numbers. I'm gonna help her with anything that she needs. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna tell her that she's gonna have to grab whatever she needed in the next couple of days. Yeah. Anything as far as because we can be here all day. Right. She has a lot of stuff.
This nigga played himself, bro. He broke the code, bro. He did break the code.
She was a hoarder back in town, So I'm gonna ask her to grab some, whatever she needed me. Right now.
I'm out to text keys, man. This nigga talking to the cops.
We can have the movies because right now the U-Haul people are not open. Yeah, that's fine. She can just call us at first thing standby. That'll be perfect. Appreciate it. Splendid. All right. So, all right.
You snitching, dog. I'm out to call and I'm in the queue. Tell nigga Baba G in the queue. Let me up, nigga.
Yeah, so I wonder what she's gonna tell the police.
Yeah, she gonna tell her.
That was smart, my queen, to say that. My queen don't want me in jail, so at the same. You said what, baby?
I said you don't do nothing. You know be crazy.
Yeah, we don't want.
Why is Armani acting like that? I thought Armani was a rider.
I don't give a fuck how that sound.
She acting scared.
Or garage or something. She can walk there. She can just grab whatever she needs to grab. You want to go over there too and stand and see what? No, she got her own room. Pretty sure she know how to get to her own room. She be all right. That's fine. I don't want no dealings with her.
Wow, bruh. This nigga's got it on live. He talking to the law, dog.
On the stairs. I don't want to trip over those stairs or nothing. You doing TikTok? Oh no, we doing a thing called bingo. We real big on bingo. That's how we met. Do you have an ID for that check so I can?
Oh my God, they in my house asking me for my ID. What the fuck you need an ID for me for?
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, Keys, give him some motherfucker, cause he might need bail money today. Talking to the fucking police. That bitch a big Amazon bitch.
All right, thank you. Thank you. It's okay. Oh yeah, so you like it? You know what I'm saying? The same thing, the person who painted her picture for her birthday. Painted that, Thank you, I appreciate it, Oh, never mind. Those things. Let me see. My car's up there. It's on my car's. Yeah. Let's get on.
We don't talk to police, dog. We don't talk to police, dog. Cut that shit out.
Alright.
Sorry, there's no light here. Right here by the door.
Oh. What else would you say, Armani?
Armani a little girl. She a little girl. She got little girl vibes.
So this only. Anyway,
Once I get,
I got some plans for them in the future. You know, to have my own. Because you know you can have them out here. You know, in Florida, these are two places you can have them. You know, I don't know if you knew that. These are the only places in the United States you can have them as a pet. So,
have a friendly conversation with the cops.
You know where they donated all the Indian lion?
You talk about the lion thing? I think there's over there where I meditate. Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. Yep, that's right. Yes, indeed. It's called lion something, though. Matter of fact, I just up. Yes, indeed.
Nigga, all up in your house. Just disrespecting you, all up in your shit. Tori, you see this shit? And y'all can screen record me because I'll say it to the nigga face.
Okay, yeah, just tell them to be ready tomorrow. We get the truck and they can come and we'll find storage and things like that. The good thing is the suite that I bought was 2 days. So it's another one of the sweetest.
Officer Capone.
Tonight. The sweetest one.
Damn, bro. That's how it go down, bro.
Appreciate the keys. Yeah, from Casa. Oh, yeah, I got the pee cleaned up. I guess it was. Must have drunk a lot of water today. Thank you, Stacey Cloud. Appreciate it. Yeah, I kind of do smell the urine. You was right, Armani. You kind of do smell the urine. You were right, bro.
But we know this shit is real now. They ain't gonna hire no cops. Nigga know this shit is real now, dog. She's stealing everything up there. I would have been up, hey, Armani, go make sure she ain't touching none of our shit.
My favorite too. You said this is enough? You said you like bleach water? Matter of fact, I couldn't do that. I think it's some bleach water. Let's try to clean it out. Bleach down. Let me do it. Hey, come here, King. Go. Go back in there. Go. I'm not okay. I'll do it.
Protect the black woman at all costs. Even if she pee on your porch. Even if she pee on your porch, dog.
Can you go there and grab the bleach for me? And then I can use the bleach. And I can go ahead and pour it. There's no bleach downstairs. Thank you for all the gifts. We appreciate it. We about to crack open that $7. Let's crack open that $7. Let's crack open that $7. Thank you, Keys. Keys up in here. He said, yeah, bleach. Yes, she's going to grab bleach. I appreciate this. Well, at least y'all know it's not a storyline, right? No,
yeah, this shit, unless you hired an officer, nigga, I don't think you got that much money.
Yeah, this has been the most tea we done got in a long time. This type of tea. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're so sweet. Let me just...
Don't pour it in your drink, nigga. Don't pour it in your drink.
Porch. Let me see if I can find it. Dark yellow.
She literally peed on this nigga porch.
From the trash. What you laughing about, Ash? What you laughing about? I didn't come. I ain't gonna put you on that. I go eat.
Y'all just, this is the most.
I didn't do nothing though. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, we have $7. Thank you. Y'all must make me feel like it's my
She said rub her nose in it. Rub her nose in that shit. Smack her in the ass. Tell a bad girl.
Some sage. You might get called over some nature boys people say you need some sage. I don't know.
Oh, we ain't coming over there, nigga. We ain't coming over there, nigga. That corner Terry. That corner Terry.
You put some water on it too?
Right. Leave me out of this, nigga.
You want me to do it or you want to do it?
Not too much.
Just rinse it before it starts. Can you put some water on the cup? I can do it if you want me to, Queen. You don't mind. Surely, I appreciate it. Let's see. Bucket. Hot water. It's not like spray booty. Okay. Some water. Some hot water instead. To wipe off the bleach. Let me see. You know, something about, dog pigs, cat pigs, or human pigs. It's not really have a hot smell. Mine's so sweet, they try to protect me, because if it's up to me, I'm a certain type of thing. She's smart. I think this is a real smart move. So we can get her and so it won't be like,
She'd have got her things alright. Her shit would have been burnt the fuck up. Fuck out of here, bitch.
Yes, indeed. This is very important, right? This is very important.
You let another man handle your business, dog. I never call no motherfucking cops, dog. Crazy? I call you a goddamn ambulance, bitch. Call no fucking cops. Call the ambulance before I call the cops. It's not my fault. What's up, bro? It's me, man. It's me, dog. Bro, what the fuck going on, bro?
You clowning us, but what's going on?
Nigga, I'm laughing at this whole shit, nigga. You know I'm laughing at this shit. We watching this shit. We laughing at. We calling you Martin Luther TKO, non-violent.
Okay. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that.
We saying that you let her pee on us. You should have put a nose in that motherfucker. You should have put a nose in that shit, and then shit. This is what you get when you let a bitch get too far. And you talking to police. You know damn well you ain't supposed to be calling them. You call the police or she call the police?
Nah, my queen did. She thought that would be best for me, so I won't be in a correctional facility. So I'm with it.
I got some correction.
Yeah. Yeah. What you say, Quinn? Go ahead and say that again. Thank you. Thank you. I think we gotta protect our black kings. I appreciate that.
Protect our black kings with the cops?
Protect them.
I got protection, all right? You in Vegas.
You live in Vegas. That's right.
Man.
That's right. But yeah, that's what's going on right now.
I don't believe in calling no cops. I believe in calling the ambulance. I ain't calling no police. I don't fuck with no police.
Hold on, let me let my queen come up. Alright.
I want the police officer to hear that shit. We don't fuck with no police. Fuck that. Fuck that police, nigga. Fucking with the police, nigga.
Oh my God. What happened?
Baby, don't act like you don't know what's going on.
I just got off of work.
Okay. They'll catch you up. I'm pretty sure the footage.
Who cares?
Somebody catch me up, please. ASAP. Are you okay? Why the police there?
Yeah, you'll see. Thanks, keys. Man, we have that 8th box. Appreciate it.
I do miss everything. I just got off of work. Of course, I see your caption, but no, I don't know what's going on.
That's so funny.
Go find the tea.
What's the difference?
That's rude. Armani.
Already on. Look, they got the cops on that motherfucker. We don't talk to no police, nigga. I'm not calling no police.
Shout out to the whole gang.
Hey, I ain't calling no motherfucking police, dog. I'm sorry, I'm not. And that's why I moved all the way up here in this mountain so I can be far away from society. Bitch, I ain't calling no motherfucking police. I handle my own motherfucking. Where I live so far off from society that a bitch know, like, it could be possible that something can happen to her out here. Like, bitch, I hate police. I can't stand the police. Fuck out of here. I ain't calling no motherfucking police, nigga. The police is a man like I'm a man. I should be able to handle my shit by myself. Fuck, I need to call another man. My mind's like, let's call the man so the man can handle the business. Nigga, you the man. You supposed to handle the business, nigga. You supposed to set yourself up so you don't need no police officer to come fucking handle no business for you, bro. You emasculated yourself, brother. This officer stepping inside your house with his shoes on. First of all, bitch, you can't come in my house with your shoes on. You feel what I'm saying? You can't, no one can come in my house with their fucking shoes on, dog. You're not stepping in my crib with your shoes on unless it's a raid or some shit. Nah, dog. He emasculated himself in front of everybody. So you already know. This nigga's a law-abiding citizen. Square shit. SpongeBob shit. That's what he is, bro. He ain't no street nigga, dog. So, here's what it is, Ken. You know, he just like 6ix9ine. 6ix9ine ain't no street nigga, so he do shit like that. Ain't no way a real street nigga, even if he turns straight, is calling the cop. For what reason? I'm not calling no fucking police. But you got life fucked up. No. Cause that means you didn't have it under control. If you a real G, you keep that shit under control yourself, man. Y'all can go watch this nigga trying to explain that shit. I ain't fucking calling no fucking. And out here in Puerto Rico, it's not like that. He was scared too, like when the police came up. Baby, talk to the police, talk to him. Nigga, why you call him? Call the police for it. Don't you know they knock niggas up? That's cops' sole purpose is to lock us down, nigga, and throw away the key. But without this drug shit, your kids ain't got no way to eat. Yeah. What you mean I ain't learned my lesson from my shit? I did learn my lesson from Maisha. I let Maisha get too far. Now I just let a bitch know from the beginning, like, don't fucking play with me. Y'all playing with police. We don't fuck with the police. We don't fuck with police at all, nigga. They killing niggas left and right. You calling police, dog? I'm scared to get pulled over by the police. When the police pull you over, you be like, every time I see the police, get a bad vibe. For the, calling the police to handle none of my issues. No. Every time Velvet act up when I was in Atlanta, what did I do? What did we do? Solar, pull up. Solar, pull up real quick. When Velvet acted the fuck up, called the police, what I do? What did your chief do every time she... What did I do? What was our routine?
Oh man. If she called the police, we had to go. We get you out of there
Immediately. Nigga, I had a fucking plan. I had a plan as soon as I'm not there.
Yeah, you ain't there.
Straight up.
If I gotta go talk to him,
and one time I took my daughter and everything. I'm like, they try to make me bring my daughter. I'm like, I ain't bringing nothing. I just gave her back my daughter. And one time I had my daughter with me and all. Fuck out of here. I ain't, nigga. You call the cops, I'm gone. I'm gone.
Yup, that's a fact.
As soon as she called the cop, or the cop, anybody say the cop was coming, what I do? I took who with me? Who I took with me?
Get up out of there.
Who I took with me? Aya, Efru, Malia, let's go. Get in the car. We about to ride out. Bitch, I ain't being around. I don't want no cop questioning me or nothing. Nigga, I'm gone. One time I took my daughter.
Get Chief bag.
Huh?
We get your bag. Get Chief bag.
We had
ready.
a bag. We got a, matter of fact, for me, to this day, I got a special bag packed up just in case police pull up on me, dog. I got a bag with everything packed that I need. Numbers to call. I got lawyers. I got everything ready. As a black man, nigga, you gotta be ready all the time for police to pull up, dog. Because if police pull up, you already know what time it is. Niggas is corrupt. Niggas want to start trouble with you, you know? It is what it is. I ain't talking. I ain't saying shit. I don't say shit to police, bro. Police will jam you up. Their sole purpose is to lock us down. They do not like black people. Nigga, you's a nigga. We pull up. If you ain't nervous around the police, you gonna let the police to come in your house? Nigga, I ain't letting no motherfucking police pull up into my house, dog. Fuck I look like, dog. Bitch, ain't about to have no police up in my shit with your shoes on all up in my fucking carpet.
Hell no, you don't move
Police
like
probably
that.
stepped on in the pee and everything. Fuck this shit.
Trapped it in the house.
I'm a house
And
nigga,
trapped
bro.
right in the house.
Yeah. Keep a jail bag.
He's smiling, welcome him in. He called him though. He called the cops on himself.
Call the cops on himself, dog. Let him in his house.
You never do that.
He called the cops on himself. She walked right in. She walked right in.
Nigga hung up on me because I don't fuck with no cop, bro. I made sure I let him hear it in front of that bitch.
That's hilarious.
Now she want.
That was a bad move.
Now she want to give him his credit, his debit card. Bitch, you done peed on it. You ratchet hoe. And I'm done with both of them. She a peeing bitch, and this nigga calling cops snitching.
Yeah, tattletale.
Nigga tattletelling, bro.
See that inner child right there.
He L7 for that, bro.
He said, Armani, you do the talking when they open the door. Armani said, Armani ain't say one word to the cop.
Armani was scared. You seen her? She was scared. I thought fucking Armani
But she
was
ran
about
upstairs in the car. Well,
nah, but see how she acted when the police got there? She was acting scary as shit, like, because they know it's a possibility the police can lock your black ass up. You see a moment there, he started thinking to himself, like, they could lock me up if she say the wrong thing. It's a possibility that the cop would turn around and lock your stupid ass up, nigga, and you called him.
Mm-hmm.
Dummy.
And you called
because you're a black man, you're a black male, and it's two females involved. They could lock your black ass up for no fucking apparent reason. Don't you ever call the fucking cops. The cops will lock your stupid black ass up, nigga. You better run. When you hear cops, you better go out the back door. Bitch, pack me a bag real quick. I'm gonna take it back. I'll be right back when the motherfucker's gone. I'm not fucking.
And in most cases, in most states, in a domestic violence situation, they'll just take both of you guys.
She could have said he hit him. She could have said he hit me.
She could have said anything.
She could have said he hit me. With no mark on her, and they would have locked this stupid nigga up. Dummy. Stupid ass nigga.
Under pressure, he got scared.
There was no pressure. The girl didn't do nothing but piss. That ain't no real pressure.
He afraid. He don't want to get locked up again, and so he figured, well, hey, let me call the cops first. But that's a stupid move too.
Yo, but the bitch got so comfortable. She got so comfortable that she said, "I'ma pee on this nigga shit." And that's what women do when you don't put your hands on them. When you don't put your hands on certain women and you allow them to talk slick to you and they go extra mile. After a while, she would have started putting hands on that nigga, bro. If he would have just let her. Imagine this nigga. He's talking about, I don't put my hands on a woman. I don't have no boundaries with a bitch. Nigga. This the kind of shit that women start whipping your ass, nigga. She start whipping your ass. She peed on your fucking porch in your face. And when you opened the door, she kept peeing. Bitch, my foot would have been so far up her motherfucking ass. She would have been shitting rubber.
Yeah, she said she can. She paid rent.
TKO called her real man. That's all he did.
That bitch peed. She peed, bro. She marked her territory.
Yeah.
I would have kicked her ass, bro.
Appreciate
you said I'm lame for what? You lame for thinking I'm lame, pussy. L7 ass nigga. This cause he don't pay all the bills. I don't give a fuck how many bills. Bitch, you ain't gonna violate my space. This my house. The fuck how many bills you pay, bitch? See, that's what I'm saying, man. That's why so many real niggas locked up in prison now. Cause y'all be trying to, nigga. And y'all want us. You want us to be a bitch. You want to emasculate us and make us feel like nothing. This bitch peed on this nigga porch, and he closed the door and just called the cops. That's some bitch nigga shit. That's some feminine shit.
It's coming out next year. Slow down. Couldn't help it, huh?
It is, bro. I can't think about this shit, bro. That shit is emasculating. It's emasculating, bro.
Emasculating.
You give a bitch an inch, you take a mile, and then that's what these women want. They want to be able to do whatever they want to a nigga. And TKO is like, yeah, they watch TKO like, yeah, nigga, bow down, nigga, pussy ass nigga. All these feminists they watching. You feel what I'm saying? And it just is what it is, dog. But the white man, I dare you to go to the precinct and pee on the precinct porch. Go to the white man's office, pee on his porch and see what happens. See if you can call the cops on the cops. The white man put his foot in your motherfucking ass. If you disrespect him, he gon'. But you as a man, you're not allowed to put your hands on the officer. But he can. If she don't do what that officer says, they gonna whip her ass. But if she don't do what you say, nigga, you need to call the cops.
You're not allowed to be a man.
She can pee on your porch. She can slash your tires and break your fucking windows out. You better call the cops.
That's who it really belongs to.
Really? Oh, okay. But let the officer tell you something. And you.
Oh yeah, he was yes sir. He was yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Yes.
Oh yeah.
She can come in, yeah, absolutely. Upstairs, she has a bedroom.
Well, you're not coming in my crib without a fucking
room upstairs. She knows
You're
what her
not
room
coming
is.
in my crib without a warrant. You're not coming in without a warrant.
Now all this was because she couldn't come in the house. They get there. Oh yeah, she can come upstairs. She knows where her room is. What happened?
You're not coming in my crib without a warrant. Not.
Heck no.
You're not coming in without a warrant.
I'll be locked in there for hours if I let you in.
I'm about locked up for hours.
And you
Well, the
got
cop
money, nigga. You got money. You can stand on your fucking rights and bail out.
The cop told him, "This is a civil suit. The only thing I can do is stand here and make sure it goes smoothly." She didn't have to go
It
in
was
the house.
pointless.
The cop said, "This is a civil suit. You guys will have to take this in court." He said that when he first opened the door. He still said, "Oh, she can come in. She can come in."
So, Thea, this is not like that in Africa. Thea, come up. I want to know what it's like in Africa.
You can put me down.
All right. Thea, come up, man. I want to know what it's like in Africa. What would have happened in Africa? Yeah.
You're not calling any cops. What cops? What do you need cops?
What would have happened in Africa?
How?
Thea, what would have happened in Africa?
What would have happened in this kind of situation? She would have had to literally beg him to come in the house. You know, highest that can happen is the neighbors can come and just, apologize to him. Then, the neighbors will escort her. No police.
What?
There is no police.
That's how it is in Puerto Rico.
Where?
That's how it is in Puerto Rico.
Police? What do you need police? Call police now. You wait there for 10 hours. Nobody's gonna come. Police. They'll tell you to figure the shit out yourself.
Put her stuff.
Wow.
Put it outside in the pee.
Yeah.
Dope. That's crazy.
It's the community that'll get involved. And it's not like they would, yell at the man. They will literally try to, bring a resolution. They'll tell him to get her stuff or someone else to get her stuff, then bring it outside. But it's not going to be a case of anybody entering his property.
What if she peed on his yard? What can he do?
Oh, shit. I don't think she would be able to do that. He would... that's violence. You're asking to be violated that way. You could hit her and say you're peeing on my property. You can't do that. I don't think she'll be able to do that. She can't.
Then he could put his
she
foot
would
in
have
her
been
ass.
violated. Yeah, probably slap her in the face. It's not. He wouldn't have had to do anything. The wives will have gotten involved. It will have been one of the wives that will square up with her.
I don't want to do shit.
She wouldn't even be able to come.
When a motherfucker mess with the lion, the females come fuck that motherfucker up. I've seen many videos like that.
Immediately.
Yeah.
Those females will fuck you up. Turn on that main line if you want. You feel me? You turn on that main line if you want, nigga. Them females will fuck you up. The other female's supposed to fuck you up. That's why I don't respect, I can't respect Armani no more. Then Armani was acting all scary. She's supposed to step up. I seen that shit. She got that little kid in her. I ain't like that. You not know
I think she's scared of Chanel.
Police, what's up, sorry? When police pull up,
she should have grabbed the stuff and put it outside. Armani should do all her
stuff. Armani should have had that shit packed up for her. At the bottom of the steps and put that shit in that pee. Put that fucking clothes in the pee, bitch. Yep. Stupid ass. Oh, you want to pee on our porch? Your clothes is in it.
Clean it up.
Yeah.
That's what she should have did for real. But she was scary in the
pack
back.
her stuff already.
But you see how far he let it get? That's his fault. He let that shit get that far.
Yeah.
Man, I'm off this shit, man. Y'all be good.
Okay.